Welcome to our guide on why you might not be ranking up in Valorant. Today, we're diving into the factors that impact your competitive progress and how you can fix them. First, let's understand how Valorant's matchmaking works. Your rank is determined not only by your wins, but also by your performance, the ranks of your opponents, and your teammates. Many players make critical errors that keep them from climbing the ranks. Poor decision-making and bad positioning are common culprits. Don't fall into the trap of solo plays. Teamwork makes the dream work. Effective communication is essential for success in Valorant. Use your mic, share intel, and call out enemy positions. Mastering a few select agents will always yield better results than spreading yourself too thin across many. Focus on the ones that suit your playstyle. Developing your game sense is crucial. Pay attention to the map, anticipate enemy movements, and always be ready for a surprise encounter. If your aim isn't on point, your chances decrease dramatically. Spend time in practice modes to improve your shooting skills and mechanics. Reviewing your own gameplay can be illuminating. Look for weaknesses, mistakes, and areas where you can enhance your performance. Consistency is key. Create a practice routine that works for you and stick to it. Over time, these small improvements will lead to significant gains. To recap, focus on understanding the ranking system, avoid common mistakes, master your agents, communicate with your team, and practice effectively. Implement these changes, and you'll start soaring through the ranks in no time.